becoming restless. What is your course of action?
Our course of action is that we are not going to stop talking. We are not going to stop talking about the deteriorating state of industry in this country. We are not going to stop talking about the fact that during this lockdown, people still do not have the essential services they need to get tasty food delivered to their homes.
Nyarara.
Nyarare.
No, the correct word is nyarara.
Nyarara.
But kapane vanoti vakagara varipo vachitonga kubva kare uye vacharamba varipo. What's your take?
Listen, my friend, HuMambo hausvigadze wega. HuMambo unogadzwa nevanhu. Even if you have been around since 1987, and the issue here is about legitimacy, and people will know.
Isusuka chinangagwa chedu
Chinangwa.
Chinangwa chedu ndechekuti we are going to act for change. Best believe on the 14th of August we are going to act for change.
On the 14th of August, we are settling this once and for all.
What should people expect on the 14th?
Listen, as I have said before, God is in it, and time is now. On the 14th of August, people should expect a change of flavor.